He recognizes that such interventions create a healthcare system that leaves no mother behind it, ensures every child has a healthy start in life. Speaking on behalf of Nana Kunadu Yadebet, after whom the block has been named, Mampohima Nana Ajakuma Difi II stated that the decision is in the right direction as the Queen has shown passion towards mother and child healthcare since her ascension. She recalled how the Queen dedicated her 25th anniversary to breastfeeding advocacy and settled the base of new mothers in selected hospitals in the Ashanti region at the time. According to Nana Jakuma Difi II, the expansion of the maternity ward is dream come true for Nana Asantehima. She used the vocation to call on the corporate bodies and individuals to rise to the support of the block with personal protective equipment to facilitate its smooth and effective operation.
Alright, second round of applause, setting the tone for the second round of OCRC, the Silver Jubilee Edition 2024. So the second breeder Trading champion, Piamamba, 14 years and attends Emmanuel National School.
Ghanaians and other people across the globe
Yeah. It's Francis Boama from Boamai to do the next reading. Francis Boama from Boamai. And the school is Nkwantakesi DHHS.
The Asante Otumfuo II had called for the operationalization of the Ashanti Regional Hospital in what could pass as an unpleasant verdict on the relevant authorities. The sentiment conveyed in person to the Minister of Health, Dr. Bernard Okoye-Boye, and his deputy, Adelaide Intim, when they visited the Menchia Palace, could not have come at a more appropriate time and moment, given that the fully completed and equipped facility has not been put to use for nearly 2 years. The Ashanti Regional Hospital at Siwa is a 250-bed health center with construction and the installation of relevant equipment long completed. It has, however, been left idle, even though what remains is the construction of a 2-kilometer access road and connections of utilities to the facility. As the Asante said, after resources had been invested into putting up the facility and equipping it, it would be inappropriate for it to be left idle for all the equipment to become obsolete and unusable. Beyond that, he said operationalizing the regional hospital would reduce pressure on equipment and personnel of the Kofonochi Teaching Hospital, CAT, in the wake of the huge number of cases they had to attend to on a daily basis. It is common knowledge that although CAT is supposed to be a referral health facility, circumstances sometimes make it the primary care center for the basic conditions. It is difficult to understand that a practical solution such as the operationalization of the regional hospital had either escaped the authorities or that it had not been considered necessary enough to feature in the scheme of things in times of maximizing available healthcare resources. In plain words, the neglect of the hospital is a pure waste of resources that cannot be justified under any circumstance. The situation, the Daily Graphic believes, is a poor reflection on a country that has already cut the sword for 111 hospital projects, christening Agenda 111, to underutilize a facility of such prime importance. The hospital in question is one of 9 contracted to Egyptian investment firm, Irrigate the Invest, with 6 of them already inaugurated and currently in use.
So that was Boama from Boamai, and attend in Nkwantakesi DHHS, drilling deeper and deeper. So who will wear the crown? Who will succeed Lord Dina? The last reader, ladies and gentlemen, who bear with me, is Mampon Champion. Mampon Champion. And Frida from Sahine. MAJHS.
This year's Fetua Fashion was a banquet of culture and tradition served on golden platters for patrons. It was the best of Oguama, welcoming the grace of Asanteman. The paramount chief of the Ogua traditional area, Osabari Mabakwe Siata II, was joined by the Asantehene Otumfuo II to ride in palanquins as part of the Fetua Fashion procession. It was the first time the Asantehene had joined the people of Cape Coast in its royal capacity. The Afashe, celebrated on the theme, celebrating the city of first, our people, our culture, was all it promised patrons and more. Crowds trooped to the ancient historic city of Cape Coast, stretching it to its elastic limit. This year's Fetua Fashion was the biggest, considering the numbers and the dignitaries that graced one of Ghana's most celebrated festivals. Otumfuo II, speaking through a linguist, congratulated the Oguamahene on the occasion that climaxed his year-long Silver Jubilee celebration. The Asantehene praised Osabari Maba Ata for his humility, a trait he said he had observed since their first encounter, and urged the Oguamahene to maintain this modest demeanor, emphasizing that it was a mark of true leadership. He highlighted the role of the people in the development and success of a community and appealed to indigenes, both living in and outside Cape Coast, to work together with the traditional leadership with a sense of unity and dedication, stressing that it was the collective effort of the citizens that would bring prosperity to Oguamahene. Asantehene further underscored the historic significance of Cape Coast, reminding the people that it was the first city in Ghana where many foundational institutions were established. Otumfuo II, therefore, appealed to the people to continue building on those foundations to ensure that Cape Coast maintained its historical relevance and influence. As a gesture of his commitment to education, Otumfuo II made a generous donation of 500,000, support the Osabari Maba Educational Fund to promote educational initiatives in the Ogwa traditional area. He explained that the donation was specifically targeted at helping the needy and called on others to contribute towards the betterment of education in Cape Coast and the entire region.
Okay, so that was Frida. Also drilling deeper and deeper. So on that note, the first half of the second round has been exhausted. We're moving straight to the second half of the second round. And as usual, we invented. Yebe country into yebe done into what kind last no and ube kind ubedi kind akai. Mekai will say we're a Silver Jubilee edition of OCRC 2024. I believe this program was born out of necessity. As we say, necessity is the mother of invention. Through the COVID time, this wonderful program or project was initiated. Entiedin Sembo Beshia Mampon champion Frida na wabekai chino ede amaye Mampon champion Okostu I was signing Mensa signing MJHS with the 14 years Oyoba Fefe.
Mr. MPP and Peninsula and so about to come is a debate to Janiso. Now, so say Baya Masum Jebe Banunti, MPP phone and Anaku for the castle best. Tomsa, where your brother waka MPP a chidi free from Otumfuo Banu, ne one yankee and would ye P with PM war, menshia him fear. Sanshamu you cause to copy manajua. A dear Betchiama Ghana for Tuabano. Sebeya, Nipa Benu, Wodi, Aperia, Apel, my Penia, dear Nubenya, a Reshemuama on now about one who's in science, why Bebano, Wajatum, Imposo, Obakua, Ninsus, and Swan out to Mumpa, on Fam Raquan, so in Shat and Tenany. Afe, Otumfuo says to Tossimi, no cause, Sunny Wana, or pray in Penyanino Kasai, 214, Cosi saw Baku Dani in Penyanino Maba, Obaku, a brana, the Casawa, Akasi, Deka Asia. Brana Otumfuo say to Otosunmi no din fia duo no osika dwaso no oka say asante ne asumdwe ne nkoso fadum na asumdwe a ode ba dagbon no mpo de ayane ma akese a obeya asante hene no waye no mu ba akope.
Okay, so Frida Neno Yambo and Sam Emano. Mekai say we are streaming live via Facebook, courtesy Assassin Radio 98.5. Timoa outside. You can drop in your comments and then we share. All right. So the next reader, as far as the second half of round 2 is concerned, Boama champion. And it's no other person than Francis Boama or Sir Boama from Nkwantakasi DHHS Omekai Chino MIA.
Wampanyin to aso say ebesine Otumfuo na monto ayan waso afa nso se ofa asantema mba bia ubehunu asantehene nsa no adwuma efe onipa abrabo bia ho enam Otumfuo education fa no so mofra bebre anya suku adusua HIV AIDS yare no nso odi kan na oman na okutia ahensema ye wo Ghana nso na montu aye mukena na enche bia na oye no titinani ma ahenfo akese atena nkonwafo ma odi asomdwe ba adagon ma osi ya na afoforo ho efri bra na meye na mranimfo kosi bra me beye amanyekuo tiafo kanifo no o ma me efutuo brebia we nyina ansesan efri bra o manfo yi me se mampanyi sebe ya obi abehu se wiase nyina age asomdwe adwuma Otumfuo aye wa Ghana atumunti World Peace Bell Association di wiase asomdwe don a wodema yenwura kofia nan akan na oye wiase aman enkabom kubantan twetwerefo panyin akoma menhia seme ka se edon no se menhia hemfie se esia baabi asantehene tie efri bia Otumfuo se tu otosumienu bedi ade no wama amamwopa asomdwe baako ye ne ayonkofa asatena akoso Ghana afana nyina manso twen kese baako a wabomode asiesie ne de na ede emfi hapia na eda asanteman ne tachiman entem no manso twen no nyina afri tachiman hena na ose na sefri na kwaache amoyawa na oyetete bono manso hene no saa ohene na Otumfuo poku are kundi no so afi apem ahanso ne aduonum yensamu no ebra Britannia twa asantehene prempe odikan asuo afi apem ahanwotwe ne aduokrun nsiamu no na tachiman fa ho twen ne ho afi apem ahankro ne aduonum num no Britannia ye no se obesan ama asanteman esi nanim mu sade atete na etie saa we ma nkura na eka asanteman ho no nyina asan beka ho we kire se nkuro ne nsase na ehye asantehene ase no nyina san be hye na se de na ehye asantehene pa odikan ase ansa na broni yitwa no asuo no.
That was Francis Boama from Boamai and our kind Chino. Okay, so near Odiho, Feyase champion. Mame Chumwa Enchi Bafo. She's 15 years of age.
Tachiman apre so obesan anya ne fa hudi ama wode asan no akoko to akese mumpempi tachiman hene asan afa mrakwan so se anko obetumi adisan kro nan yi so tano so tuabodom tano bo ase ne boyem etoda impo ana odi atutura sem afamu na so emwa no efi se san kro nan no awe ahenam so se wobesom sikaja infi atwam yi no nipa wawu san nsem yi ho baburudu na wona etu aka wona a waprepra de bebre afa impem mienu ni dunmu intawantawa na eda asantman ni tachiman tam no ko soro akosi se tachiman hene osi ade yo akunfi ameya wo to so nan huna to abodom hene se obeche no we ma to abodom hene dwane firi tachiman asomfo a wode won sakeka no nsam kwada manhia ahimfie Otumfuo se tutu a woto so mienu tie sa asemi no wode tu ja se ono Otumfuo obeche tachiman hene se ono ma ebre bia obeyi na agin se o twam afakumase akoba bi no asema Otumfuo se tutu kan ye yi ma Ghana manyina wo so ye Professor John Evans Atamosa na sa abra no oyama mpeni wo Ghana ye ntentam soma na bedi achi John Dramani Mahama ko menhia ahimfie ko pata asantehene wo hye no bose wona a wode won saka to abodom hene no de se tie bia wo beche wona akogina imranim tachiman hene te sa asemi no osoma ko asantehene ho ko pa achaw wodi asem no wie pia mu ma Otumfuo abufuo no ba fam enu nti ebra Otumfuo ma me free mu a oye na aye no tachiman hene osi ade ye akunfia me ya osimu pampampan koma Otumfuo ya akọ aya wo hu mo boso me afi impimienu ni dunsu mu no ebra Otumfuo ekonkransa hene okatatia adman ku oduma wotoso nan aye no Otumfuo sai tutu a wotoso mienu fa tachiman hene ahimfie de asumdwe ko ba asumdwe a wode ko aye nu mu kwachia no sa ajapade sema Otumfuo yo yi ma tachiman hene gu ahomekoko akese na de abotoyam ba eho ni Ghana mmaye nyina.
Yeah. So that was the history and it happened live. Okay, now you do so Mikhail say Asasi Radio 98.5. Afa Jumedie now live or Facebook. Yes, I will type outsider. Just type Asasi 98.5 Kumasi and you will see and hear what is happening here. Otumfuo Radio, the Asantema Radio, is also a sponsor. So the last but one reader, the Befred champion, Kia Amakwa, the 14-year-old, now Odina Kenkai, Eddie Abraham.
Joada, and he made that a toss at Unimino. I think Pimion do watch him no. As young for Walkwam and Croma University of Science and Technology, Ghana, your point Edika when you says Yana in Fidijumamu to about to say, your pony penny for any 1 year. Now a bamboo for Honoso Bro one, a young for a bra, as I say, or bow who buy. One up in the eddy when him 2 there be say. Sir, or your child, what they assume Jeffy as your career at trust a woman to go for you no man for. Yeah, basa, say Sukuni in Crawfonima. In Crawford, I say, if you are fear, pay a hankro at your science, your best Sabren, won't say, see upon him as your for at the be set into Sada. Bambo for us to go on in a Jennifer one, Jinaber, a brass to cook one boo one, Asher Dana. Was say, Yama, as your phone say, no Babu CD or Pepemba, Connie a chili ponson. A binding your upon him penny fish wants me in Patasa at the trust. Or to see upon Pamu as young one say, oh, Pian, fear, no one to me up or quiet Amasundia Abaho, and Nunti, Abani at Nakunya, was just upon the son Eddie. Shy after frost one and I'm I hope in your income. A bind say, I shall for Alpha Front and say, one shame wasting upon it. Now watch him in now so a hot chair for a kun, as young for the effort to obey your phone in Crawford or kick on one penny and say for free. So a chair for the edge, my for to just say, obey or your tread at sea in say for front. A cherry pot, a chair for the die at the chair. I feel now a binding in the one yancy or go at Nankonya for front. I feel as yapon Adisia or my name in a basa. A mine no poor mudding biasa or Bema Bibia atodi. And unti Osman Penny for a cook down my woman, see a swaffer or swaffer or shall mind a bumper so. A Santa my who bambo say, or copek my amabasa Ejai.
Yet that's say, Queer Amankwa, the 14-year-old. And now, Okai Sesian, the last reader, Neddy. Second round in the Abaye and they could see results no. They say wine and now Obefa trophy no with the prize at stake 10,000 Ghana cedis, 6,000, 4,000 wine and the Yadibema KDC Anglo Gold wine at Yadibema no. Ladies and gentlemen, the last reader is Mankranso Salamatu Isa from Holy Prophet Islamic Basic School in the heart of Mankranso.
Sabren na no Otumfuo say to us me no that's your upon no ye chancellor no out to kwan akwa manone Otumfuo buy pen of friend one no do dwam wa asem no ho nyina asuafo achachefo mpanimfo abankrofo na adwumayefo fe kwa wodo ka asem no ma obi akomato ne yam afi okasa ahwefo atena nkonwa no wansan che no foforo na se de wosi ye no obi abojo no asanse ni siesie wona wo twe dare no ntem no afi obi asuapon ma asuafo no kwoto awon adisuaso Obubu busumi muni de tosu du wa fem pi mienu ni aduonu nan mu no bre osante yin Otumfuo se tutu tosu mienu di ni fi hia aduonu num da no opadwuma de bia wato ni di hiu konfo anochi project hontuma dwuma de no botai ne se obebo ama konfo anochi ayasabia adi fi hia aduoson num no agina na so bio ye wura Otumfuo se tutu tosu mienu di to asante anim se efie bia esi asase so a wo kumase bia se wo ma mi sidi oha anase sidi ahanu Busumi bia busumi kura na me de beya yebetumi di aye yewura asante cheche mu se okonfa no che yede yasabia no to no anyare da na ye den na afi de yasabia no yare weiti asante ne Otumfuo say to otosumi no hye omanfo nkran se obi amomode na ye mpagya okonfa no che yasabia no si obio enche okra na suapon wo ogwa UCC di doctorate degree abodin boy yewura asante ne Otumfuo say to otosumi no abaso yewura asante ne Otumfuo say to otosumi no jisa abodin enam ne nyuma pa ne do ne se de wama ahinia ya akono wo man Ghana ne abibima nyina mu chancellor da ogwa so apon no se Sam Jonah na wode sa abodin kese yi ma yewura asante hene Otumfuo say to otosumi no vice chancellor Professor Johnson Nyako Boampombo Otumfuo abaso wo aka ne sonko a wode adi asanteman so ma bi aka Ghana.
Wow. Otumfuo here hene. Na safo hene. Nana Ahima, members of parliament, honorable members of parliament, dignitaries present, teachers, yedi akensie nyina edi abawie yedi akensie nyina abawie yo na wine and na ebefa crew ano and the prize at stake wine ebefa answer na meko judges for one amode results na brem no yenua bema sonko bia opese oka awensem ekire enti mensa hono uma yemfa ensembo ensha Frederick Opoku Ado akro from DHHS or Efija Kwabre North na ombeka awensem. Frederick, where are you? Frederick, where are you?
Ohinkesie Otumfuo osei tutu ni umpanyinfo abenjafo atena nkonya me mama tenase me din de Frederick Opoku Ado because suku wa akro from GHHS wo afeja kwa abrace edubofo Otumfuo osei tutu Otumfuo osei tutu nyame kese wahini afitete wadoba nkoma baade ompre ho kese ye ho obaade aye okese fitete osei tutu nyame kente ya onyankopon de wa kente amanso wona wahini ye entretra etretre baabia manu twapo chesuo tresuo chahye trahye Otumfuo wahini enihye osei tutu ababia wudi nsofoma eyire baabia ma wo hodo don't man for cron war. John Cobia man said and Betwa or say charge for no way, Pia. Or any kind of fenua, 1 chair was so in your seminal. Assemble when you ma, eto baby ada, or he now. Sabua odoma kumenya sabua kwa anchia aso enrike siema uyo so kenten uwa esye so a uye esire mu seijata ohene uye chirichio efimpo anu kosi esirem uni nseso Otumfuo osei tutu bocheche odoma kuma adumunim de adumusika ma wo che chema no so mobra so eya wona wama wana wanim da eye enimdefo eya wona wama wana wanim da eye enimdefo ohini chinyumu osei tutue wonim asantini inim nkrani inim dagombani inim anwonani na emom wonim asantiman impuntu ne Ghana nkanko ohini woye bo che ampo pa. Otumfuo say tutu. Wona ohunu nwumasua ho fa so fi tetete. Wodi nwumasua chechira asanteman. Enu nti wo bo nwumasua foto. Wodi nimde kwa akodi nkunim. Wona wo aso a esiafo ne achirechirefo so a. Wotie. Na na kasa French ma. Ejojo akoma kasa na wona nam etio. Medawas.
Wonderful. Ohine, we a treat you. Pia. Master Patrick. Eradi Enshirao. That was wonderful. Omeyembo ensema yebano. When an honorable kasa, ye encourage you omo. Senebeya. Omebabesi yanai dache. Ohine. Patrick say we a tree if you stream ebesi anafo we a tree. I hope we all understand what Kwame tree is. Okay, let me recognize Otumfuo. Otumfuo is also streaming live. So wherever you are, you can just type Otumfuo 104.7 and you understand what is happening here. Obinka Menu mishishimio. Wow. So Otumfuo here then asafo here ahemfo ahodo na agogo hima na hima mo hia mo ha nyina results ni nyina aba betu samo me kwan a na kama bobo na ya hwe wan na Anglo Gold man sika. Oh emwa de ya time no ya kosku sankanya sa privilege ya koye nimpa o nti senior honorable kan no also honorable say Odu University answer okonya dictionary ato but by kind courtesy of Otumfuo Osei to the second and by kind courtesy of Anglo Gold etimiche books etimiche dictionaries ema JHS for ni nyina yembo ensema ohene a oye chirichie every etifi edibesi anafo. That is the kind of king that we have. Anglo Gold, God bless you for that wonderful gesture that you always shower on us. So the results are here. Me try kakra na. Okay. Mr. DJ, bamenyom kakra me fa nya de why. Bamenyom kakra. Mr. DJ, bamenyom kakra. All right, thank you. The results of the final score of the Silver Jubilee edition of OCRC 2024 coming to you live from the main auditorium, the Jubilee Hall, and with my rain and a lot of sponsorship. Let me chip in this one. So at the end of the whole contest, with 46.4 plus 47.0, adding up to 93.4. Okay, another 47.5, 46.8, adding up to 94.3. Another one, but let me say 47.3, 46.9, 94.2. Who are they? Who has qualified? Who has won? So let me do it this way. With 93.4, oh, champions, please be up from your seat and come and stand here. Let's give them a round of applause. Oh, let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It is not easy. Set a packed capacity like this. Not small girls, 14, 17. No more kind. Oh, let's give it to them. Let's give it to them. Oh my dear pa. They are all champions in their respective areas. So even though Obibesu, oh my dear pa, I doff my heart for you. I doff my heart for you. I doff my soul with 93.4. Taking the 5th position. Okay, yeah, that's it, yeah, that's it, yeah, that's it. Okay, Yadamwase. So who will laugh last and who will cry first? So 47.0. Hey. So 93.4 S. Macranso taking the 5th position. Let's give it to her, Macranso. Mama boy SM. Emmanuel Macranso. That is wonderful. She's already the champion in the 2nd round in that 47. So when you add it up, you will get it. The 4th position on your 94.2. 94.2. And no other person or community than Mampon champion 94.2 taking the 4th position. Taking the 4th position. So Mankanso and Mampon, they've done very well. And the 3rd position with a mark of 94.3 goes to Chedier champion. So Chedier, Macranso, Mampo, and Chedier, please take your seat. We'll give you your prize. Let's give them a round of applause. So it's left with 2. Okay, so it's between Buamai and Feyase. Oh my. So Buamai and Feyase. Feyase, are you here? Okay, just relax, Buamai, where are you? So the 2 who will laugh last, who will win the crown, who will carry the day. Wow. It's a boy and a girl. Oh, they are girls. Oh, they are. So the boy or the girl. Wow. Is it the girl? what is there. Otumfuo nyane. So when you are no, madam, mama, and if yes, you are. Here's our patron, and really, he's done wonderful job as far as this project is concerned. And I doff my heart for you. And would you like your daughter to rule? Yeah, it's said forever here. Hey, it is becoming hotter. So let me tell you something. Mami can't be rich though. In the second round, okay, in the first round, in the second round, in round 2, the winner got 48.1. The runners-up, the first runners-up got 48.0. Who is that? Who is that? Come on, who is that? Who is that? Is it Fayase? Is it Woman? Okay. The gender activists, where are you? The gender activists, the boy and the girl. Who will you go? Is it the girl or the boy? So, okay, Mamika. Bring me some water. So, at the end of the whole contest, ladies and gentlemen, honorable members of parliament, stakeholders, at the end of the whole competition, with 96.7, the winner is... Oh, where is the water? Oh my. Wow. So with 96.7, honorable members of parliament, I have the honor to give you the champion for the silver Jubilee edition of OCRC 2024, coming to you live from the heart of Malaysia, in no meaner place than the Jubilee Auditorium, recently constructed by the king, the wise king, and the so beautiful edifice that we have. He's no other person than, hey, it is Woman! This is reminiscent of the first edition. Look at that. Wonderful. So beautiful. The atmosphere is charged. I told you there's going to be agonies of defeat. And there's going to be. They've done well. Okay.
Welcome to the Enjoyment Ministry. Welcome, Otumfuo. The turn up is here. Let them
Okay.
the party on the way till 9 in the morning. Is that deep like I see? Is that Enjoyment Ministry?
Yes, it's so exciting, it's getting hotter. So ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the dignitaries, please take your seats and let's present the awards. Please, Mr. DJ. Mr. DJ, thank you. Let's take our seats and let's present the awards quickly. Please, let's take our. So let's take our seats. Let's take our seats. Let's take our seats. Honorable Member of Parliament, dignitaries, let's take our seats and we'll close right now. The cat is out of the bag, so let's take our seats and let's continue the program. Let's take our seats. Let's take our seats. Please, let's the auditorium. Let's observe some silence in the auditorium, and let's continue with the program. Okay, so please. I know how you feel, but that is how it is, and that is what we do best at Otumfuo Osei Foundation. We carry you through the excitement. Thank you for taking your seats. Those at the back. Mo am watching on your streamwa. Mo ye kom my supporters. Mo ye kom my na yentua jumadie ni so. Let me take this opportunity to acknowledge wonderful personalities here present. Let me take this opportunity to acknowledge these wonderful personalities and our corporate sponsors here. Please, quiet. Mom, wait, Menka Chinese, and I say Chino, I say Monte, and Tiagis Menka Chinese. Okay, all right. So, Enti Mama Yemfa and Sembo. Please, teachers, calm them down. Teachers, yes, Monkamo down. Teachers, Monkamo down, Emma. Right. Teachers do that job for us. So, Mama Yenfa and Sembo Emma. Nana Tafuhima, Nana Obiya, Atakra, Tosumienu, Nana Tafuhima, Pacha Oa, Pejawosa, na, okay, Mama Yenfa and Sembo, Emma, Nana Tafuhima. Yada was Saudi when Munyam, Abetai, Jumadienu, Echi. Afe, Nana Agogohima, Nana Afrakuma Kusi, Obuadum, Nana, Mama Yenfa and Sembo, Emma, Nana, Yada was say. Siao the second, drop on Sohene. I've already mentioned, okay, yeah, that was say. Nana Safreju, Sampene, Amankweti, Amankra Sohene, already we've mentioned you. Nana Boachi, Amababio, Kwantakasehene, we've already, yes. Piao, Nana Piao. Piao. And a Piao. Nana Dr. Ajiman Bedudia, Kunsuhine, thank you. Nana has done very well. And no more yesu apart from the donation no yeno, and no more way so akasemu no more onona odima nana eradi ensure. Nana Adai Jamra, our patron from Feyase Hine, we've already recognized you. Yeah. Nana Yim Are Ababio, Twase Hine, Yadawase, Kunedi Yadom, Kumeni Otoso and Nine, Kunahine, Yadawase, Nana Nubin Sra, Otosu Mienu Treda Hine, Yadawase, and Nana Professor Hinaba Boachi Eje Wahino Tosumienu, Otumfuo here, or no the board chairman, Otumfuo Osei to the second foundation. Nana Edawasi, so do we Abetai Echwe, Afe, Nana Achamfwa, Asafo Buachi, Ajimambosu, Asafo Hene, Otumfuo representative, Mama Efa Esembo, Emmanuel, Mama may recognize our corporate sponsors, Trillium Industries, Bachobo Wahana, Anopemi Bomudi Munia, where are you? Producers of Ferra, Isuya Yanumohanina, Omona, Omodima, and Vigo, Bigo, soft drinks, any McBerry, Namomaya, energy chocolate drink, Trisco, Cowbell, any Onga, with the animal air, a new one will be refresh you. Indomie tent, or more instant noodles, or more chicken flavor, onion flavors, and then beef flavors, pepper flavors. Now, DH Industries, also detergent. We have Kitty Properties, JP, Ecom Ghana, Anglo Gold, Ashanti. Pachamupeja one said, now you recognize them. Anglo Gold, boy. All right. The Masipa, I'm sponsor the first 3 champions with a whopping 20,000 Ghana cedis. So let me quickly go to the awards for the day. Okay, answer number awards no. Would like to take a special remark from our patron of OCRC, and he's
were done. And believe me when I say it, it was a luxury when they came to Feyase, because 5 years ago it took us probably an hour to get to Feyase. Today it takes 10 minutes. So thank you for, honorable your team and everybody else that has helped Otumfuo upgrade. But to say the truth, believe you me, we are not done. Some of these communities are so far out that it takes days to put these contests together. So I applaud the Otumfuo Foundation for making this possible for us. When you go home and when you actually look at what we have done today, please say your private thanks to Ohineba for making this possible. He is the epitome of education. Please, 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 this is important. Nananom that are here, I want this to become our pet projects, because it is not easy for some of these communities even to sponsor the children. It is expensive to train these kids to read as well as they do. The practice that go in, the after school time that they have to spend. Well, there are only 5 children here, but I have met hundreds of them. Today, I implore you, beg you to think of yourselves as winners, so you are just as proud as I am to have been invited to stand in a crowd like this. The only 6 people that are deemed super special. So you are in an elite class by yourselves. And I congratulate you and I applaud you. I applaud your teachers, I applaud your counselors, and I applaud all your friends and family members that brought you here today, that came to support you. Please be proud of yourselves for making such an achievement possible. I stand here in the stead of Feyase. I thank all Nananom who were the sponsors of the various stages. I stand year to year. We hope to be able to recruit more of our colleagues to fight with us to achieve into the future. Nananom mpenifo amaba school for awofo yedamu nyina se kakra meka ne se yo yemfase kan enkoko yesi ye de pen any paper much papa say ne yampa nananom yafa yentumai yembei ye nananom omedi yechidi yaba pen ro dia paye yemi kan nti dabra ye hu yetimi edi se adwuma we ente se enkolai munyinara ene me nana beka se manwi munyina manwi eche se munyina ma win ti ye dam munyina se mo de mo ho abedom ye mo amchamo aban mu nipa amwa so ma ba mo kwa mo ntia me nuama me education minister onuni obi a ya yonko fa no na yesronko opie ma himfie dako akwasida bi kwa nurse na menya de na ema ho nam so wada wo ma senka mi school yu bie mu ma me a o se me ya ma onum nyina na be anko yesa omko ya pra se na wo pa MP abano so pede house people school onko jeka ni nyina mu no ye school ye ni tie no asi school no busum nsia owi os primary school nko na wo pe na wo ni asase na so ada wo ma me wakitu bi da kire ha os be ma secondary school se fe aseman ye nya secondary school Muntenio enche bia mo beti se midin da secondary school so ne wo Feyase and no na ka ho na nkola ne nyina sisi nyina ye nyade ne nyina ye be kobi in the sabre wo free primary JHS now ko secondary school ne nyina ye fe ya se hwa ye ni ya himfi aka ho ye se de mmofra ne be sua biara se ya asante sem ye wurase ye ma ya asante sem hu yam momra himfi me sua nana no mesra mu ye minim se mu nyina ma fa sa akwan ne bi so ye bi school for no omo cultural time omo traditional time ye mie ya himfie puno no omo mra mesua bi ebia na menamu a ende ma be pie hei me dia henkwa na ne mi gina hei eno ene ebie sa akwan no omo nso ba yes ye nya amane usua ne ye a unya amane ye da mu nyina sese dem aba ohene ba nyame nhyiraw achemfo nyame nhyira so obesi ewura nem de wa ho ofe ene unim de aba na nanom omo ba yi nyina nyame nhyira mo next year enim se musika de be mbe yedu mo de ma ho ofe so asa betaichi na na himanom mo de ye maame na enim ye tuwa na mo bo ye chudom de ye badanam ye damase se mo so de ma ho ofe matiti nkolai ba bia be ko bia mo so ye mu de yakọ nyame nhyira mo nyina se mo ba afisese minim si ebe sensia ade ba ko me di twa to ne se ye sha ade wo ya si 2 years ago 4 years ago samete ye no ye si de odi kan no ya brantie oko Prempeh College the otos biem no the odi kan no yo ba enne de watos biem no ono nso so eye be ma ntiem se e change ono nso si opese oko Prempeh College hey na de no munyina I'm sorry na Prempeh College omunyina te se e ho na fe ya se hene koye e ti omunyina person ko ho medamo ase.
Okay. No for yanso yada wase pa for that Otumfuo hia hene nana asafo hene nananom nana himanom ye dikai no ye hyase no na maybe sponsors ahemfo na omo aboyen ye dwumadie ye hyase boa omo de abona mfuso kakra bi ebae na no madaroma esramu bi a mfa encheme na menye correction no ne tinu say emwa ye nya free na nanom a omo ha ne dikan na natural da hene na nubi sra toso miensa omayen 50,000 enye 3,000 me bought 3,000 50,000 and odi mayen my boy ensema na wadaroma una na facha me em say na facha me twase hene pacho tienie twase hene na yim are ababio ono so mayen 50,000 and yet 3,000 umayen boy ensema na aboye yie ankasa sa sikana ye nyae no de di ho na nakuna hene na nakuna du yadom kumeni otoso enan ono so mayen 50,000 umayen boy ensem emano afenso na nakunso hene na Dr. Ajimandia otoso Ajimandia ono so mayen 30,000 and yet 3,000 30,000 and na odimayen fe yase hene na adai chamera ono so mayen 30,000 ono so mayen 30,000 and na Otumfuo hia hene na Professor Ohene Babuachi eje in otoso mienu ono aso na board chairman Otumfuo Osei to the second foundation ɔno nso ma yɛn 30,000 ma yɛn bɔ yɛn nsɛm ɛma ɔmo nana nkwanta kɛse hene nana boakye yam ababio ɔno nso ma yɛn 10,000 ma yɛn bɔ yɛn nsɛm ɛma nananom manso kwanta hema ɔno nso ɛma yɛn 5,000 mo ma yɛn bɔ yɛn nsɛm ɛma ɔmo ɛna ɔyoko hene ɔno nso ma yɛn 5,000 to sɛ kasika no nyinaa bɔ ma sika pudo nananom momfa nkyɛ me mfomsoɔ bi a meyɛ biara madaworoma momfa nkyɛ me na wonim sɛ mode akyɛ me mo nana mode akyɛ me meda mo ase paa afei let me quickly introduce barima fredi a agyeman ababio kenya se kwabrɛ hene pakyɛ ɔno na wɔ apagya wo nsa na yɛhu okay ɔno mɛmfa nsɛmbɔ nhyia no meda mo ase paa now let's quickly move